currently I'm in Nanaimo. I'm just kind of chilling in the van right now because Dad and my Auntie Michelle have gone to VIU to grab some papers for Michelle's first semester. So that's awesome. However, that's not what this video is about. We're in Nanaimo, and I decided to come along with them. I'm not even looking at the camera. I'm looking at the viewfinder. I need to look here. Whoops. Yeah, so I decided to come along to pick up some stuff for my car. So I'm going to be needing to grab some Bondo, I think Bondo glass we're going to use for this project. And we're going to get some enamel paint, both in flat black for the rims of my car and gloss white. That's going to be for the body of the car. We're also going to need some rubberized undercoating to go underneath the wheel wells once we finish sanding it down and whatever, just to give it a little bit more life to it. What else are we getting? Bondo spreaders. Ooh, masking tape. You're gonna need that. And a white rust reformer type paint. That's gonna be our haul for today. Just got paid. It's Friday. Woohoo, money. So all in, this project will probably cost me somewhere between 100 to 120 bucks. Hopefully. If I've done my math correctly. If not, sweet. More? Okay. If not, mean like if it's cheaper than that, that's awesome. If it's not cheaper than that, it's still easier than bringing it to an auto body shop and getting them to fix it for thousands of dollars. So either way, it's cheaper to do this. So I'm gonna be doing this with my uncle, Uncle Simeon. He's coming on the 6th of February, 5th or 6th of February. So in a couple days, I think a week or two, week and a half. What's the date today? It's the 28th. Yeah, so in a week and a couple days. So he'll be coming out and we'll be working on getting that done. Another project I have for this weekend, what's this truck doing? Another project I have for this weekend is installing the quick release steering wheel in my car. I'm currently in the van, so this is not the vehicle. I'm not taking the steering wheel off. So if I did, I don't think my parents would be very thrilled with me, so yeah. So I'll be doing that in my car. Next order of business is Canadian Tire. I don't know where Canadian Tire is in Nanaimo, because I don't live in Nanaimo. So all I know is it's somewhere that away in the town. But the view from the VIU parking lot is amazing, actually. Here, see if I can get this on camera. Like, I don't know, focus. I mean, it's really bright. I need to get an ND filter. Like, if only I had an ND filter, you'd be able to see the lovely cloud mountain view on the background. But this is what we're working with. Down there is Nanaimo. Those trees and buildings all the way down there. That's city center Nanaimo. Okay, so we are in Home Depot. I was looking at rubberized undercoating for under the wheel well of my car, and I'm gonna head under here momentarily. And it seemed to be that Home Depot had it cheaper. So I just need to find it. Hey, so I'm working on a little rust project on my car, and I was wondering if you guys have rubberized undercoating.
We do have rubberized.
I saw it online. It was cheaper than Canadian Tire, so I thought I'd come take a look.
Yeah. super familiar with the actual paint itself.
Okay.
Rubber coating. Works on metal, plastic, chrome, and more. Undercoating.
Okay.
Rigged coat.
So I think I said, what, 4 cans of this? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are also cheaper. These are $9.20 or $9.91. So they're a little bit cheaper. We needed 2 cans of this. So matte clear. I think we're just gonna stick with the paint from Home Depot, and we'll go to Canadian Tire for the rest of it. So we're gonna go check out now. Yeah.
$3.99.
$87.80. Let's go.
Please remove your card. Would you like an e-receipt?
No.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Okay. Okay.
I know, I was trying to record on the
Yeah, people think you're weird. Okay, I gotta find paint. Okay, so actually I'm gonna bring up the ISO a little bit. So we are currently in Canadian Tire. Oh, air filters. Those are way cheaper here. I picked up primer, rubberized undercoating, and clear coat at Home Depot because it was cheaper. But they didn't have a very wide selection of enamel paint or sanding blocks or sandpaper. So, oh, and Bondo. What aisle is Bondo in? Let's check my phone here. Okay, so aisle 17 is Bondo stuff, so let's find that. What is this, 19? 18? Oh, no, we were in it, I guess. Well, I think I found it. Hold on, let's show you what we're working with. So, we have these, which I'm going to need one. This is a pack of spreaders for the Bondo. Now we're looking for Bondo glass. This is what we're looking for. I think this is what we want. Oh, it's gonna fall. Okay. Bondo glass. 1.1 kilograms. That should be fine. I need a bag to put all this stuff in. So I'm gonna, oh, I found the paint. Okay, I'm gonna go grab a bag. I'm gonna leave these here. How do I, and we'll be right back. Got our basket. Let's grab my Bondo. Throw that in there. These. Throw that in there. Aha. Need 2 gloss white armor coat cans. And there's 4 cans. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So we have rust primer. We have 2 gloss white, 4 matte black. We have 2 cans of flat cover, clear whatever. We have Bondo. We have undercoating. We have green masking tape. Yeah, now we just need a sanding block and some sandpaper. I'm looking for some sandpaper that can both do wet and dry.
I believe that's more of automotive for doing paint and such.
That's what I'm trying to do, so...
So the automotive.
Okay.
I think it's aisle 17.
17, okay, thank you so much. Okay. All the way back to aisle 17, of which I was at, but I didn't see it. Now, I was not looking, I'll give you that. But, come on. Got a pack of 80. Pack of 180. This. Yeah, that should be fine. So step 1, I got 1, which is 80. Then step 2 is 180. But does it make sense to go to 220 and then 400? Beats me. Shape, glaze. I just need to go ask somebody. I have 80, 180, and 400. Is 200, is 220 fine if we just skip that step, or?
I mean, you could get it. It would probably be fine. It'd more just be like how you might wear out your sandpaper kind of fast. Like that's the thing. I remember I went through quite a bit. I think I bought 220 and it worked pretty good. It's definitely not the one you're gonna want to use to finish.
Yeah,
for sure.
That's why I got some 400
yeah.
as well.
Hey, I had 800 money, depending on how well you want to how you want it to look.
It's a 34-year-old car. It's
yeah, who
it's
cares?
Beat up a little
who
bit.
Cares?
It
Yeah.
don't really care about it.
32-year car. Yeah. I would probably get some 220 just in case.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
That's
Good luck. What's the car?
okay. Well, that's everything I need. So let's go check out. Hello. I have quite the collection for you today.
You need a bag to buy a bag?
Ooh, that might be a smart idea. Paper bags?
Paper bags, 25 cents.
I'll do it.
You'll do it? Okay.
I'm not gonna be able to carry this all out with my arms.
Probably not. Especially with your camera. You don't want to drop your camera, right?
Definitely do not.
And then just throw the basket down here.
Yeah.